Hello friends, I hope you all are having a great and safe day. Today I am here before you with another Indian English writer. The name is Anita Desai. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. I will bring lots of video that will be useful for you in your exams, in your government exams. So let's get started. Anita Desai was born on 24 June 1937 and she is alive now. And Anita Desai is a writer and she is a professor also. She is also a Booker Prize winner. She was shortlisted for 3 books. Clear Light of the Day, this is the first book. In Custody, Fasting Feasting. Anita Desai was shortlisted for 3 books. These are the name of 3 books. Her first important work is Cry the Peacock. Cry the Peacock was published in 1963. It is related to psychotic life, psychological life, and the main character of this work is Maya. Who? Maya. And in this work, failed to provide her emotional love. Who? Maya. Maya failed to provide her emotional love to husband. Okay, so Maya was unable to give emotional love, emotional satisfaction to her husband. It means she was not emotionally attached to her husband. So Maya kills her husband. So this work is Cry the Peacock, very important. All the works of Anita Desai are very important. Second work is Voices in the City. It was published in 1965 and this work is set up in Kolkata city. There are very important characters in this work. First character is Nirad. Nirad is brother and Manisha, Amala are sisters. Means there are 3 brothers and sister. One is brother and 2 are sister, Manisha and Amla. Next work is Bye Bye Blackbird. Bye Bye Blackbird was published in 1971 and it is also a psychological work. You must remember that Anita Desai is a fiction writer. मतलब her writings are related to fiction. So the important character of Bye Bye Blackbird is Dev. Dev marries Sarah and Sarah lives in London. So it is about an Indian in foreign countries, that what is the life of Indians in foreign countries. Blackbird related to Indian. So 2 characters Dev and Sarah both are from different countries. One is from India and second the Sarah is from London, the western country. Next work is Where Shall We Go This Summer? This work was published in 1975 and the important character in this work is Sita. Sita has 4 children and Sita doesn't want 5th children. Okay, so she's satisfied with 4 children, doesn't want 5th. So this work is set up on an island named Manori. The name of the island is Manori. Must remember that where are the works set up. This can be asked in your exams. So this is important work. First is Cry the Peacock, Voices in the City, Bye Bye Blackbird, Where Shall We Go This Summer. Next work is very important, Fire on the Mountain. Very important. It was published in 1977. It has 3 parts. And Anita Desai also won Sahitya Academy Award for this work in 1978. Must remember for which work? Fire on the Mountain. There are characters. First character is Nanda Kaul. Second is Raka, great granddaughter of Nanda Kaul. Next is Ila Das and she is college friend of Nanda Kaul. There is a officer Preet Singh who raped Ela. Preet Singh raped Ela Das. She protest. Who protest? Ela Das protest against Preet Singh, the officer. And this work is set up in Kasauli. Must remember. Where Shall We Go is set up in Manori Island, and Fire on the Mountain is set up in Kasauli. You must remember that Kasauli is a mountainous place, so you can remember this setup place. Next is Games at Twilight, and it is published in 1978. Next is very important, Clear Light of the Day. It is published in 1980, and this work is set up in Delhi. Must remember, don't get confused with the locations, with the setup places of the works. And this work, Clear Light of the Day, deals with time, that how time is destroyer and preserver. That time can destroy various things and it can preserve, it can save various things. In this work, family got separate. First of all, the family got separate from each other, and with the period of time, they again get together. They again come together, so that how time changes everything. It can change happiness to sadness, and from sadness to happiness. It can do whatever. Next work is Village by the Sea. Very important work. It is based on poverty and hardships of Indian faced by rural community. That how the rural community of India, the people living in villages, are facing poverty, they are suffering from various hardships, unemployment, and various things. So this work, Village by the Sea, is also placed in children book. There are children book, the books written for children. So Village by the Sea got placed in the children book. And Anita Desai also won British Guardian Award for this work, Village by the Sea. Which award? British Guardian Award. Sahitya Academy Award for Fire on the Mountain, and British Guardian Award for Village by the Sea. And she also got shortlisted 3 times for Booker Prize for 3 works: Clear Light of the Day, In Custody, Fasting and Feasting. Next work is In Custody, for which she was shortlisted for Booker Prize. It was published in 1984. There is a character Devon, who is a teacher of Hindi literature. He is a teacher of Hindi literature, but he likes Urdu. So you all know, shortlisted for Booker Prize. So it is important work, you must remember. And there is another character in Custody work, that is Noor. Noor is a Urdu poet, and you know the teacher Devon is likes Urdu. Next work is Baumgartner, Bombay. It was published in 1988. It is a very important work, Baumgartner, Bombay. There is character German Jew Hugo Baumgartner, who leaves Germany. एक जर्मनी में एक ज्यू होता है, ज्यू इज़ ए रिलीजन, जर्मन ज्यू होता है ह्यूगो बॉमगार्टनर, बट ही लीव्स जर्मनी. ओके, सो देर इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट कोट इन दिस वर्क, इन माई बिगनिंग, इन माई एंड. It is very important quote from this work, you must remember. Next work is Journey to Ithaca. It is story about Indian couple. There is an Indian couple who wants enlightenment, who want enlightenment. Enlightenment means who want to get aware, who wants to know about worldly things, the secret, the spiritual things. Okay. दे डोंट वॉन्ट टू गेट इग्नोरेंट. वो इग्नोरेंट नहीं रहना चाहते कि जो अनजान हो दुनिया से. सो नेक्स्ट वर्क इज़ फास्टिंग एंड फीस्टिंग. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट इज़ अबाउट लोनली इंडियन अरुण हु लिव्स इन USA. दैट वट इज़ द लाइफ ऑफ अ पर्सन हु लिव्स इन अ फॉरेन कंट्री अलोन. नेक्स्ट वर्क इज़ द जिग जैग वे. It was published in 2004. You just remember the publishing year and the name of the work, The Zigzag Way, 2004. There are other works, you just remember the name of the works. The Artist of Disappearance, 2011. Diamond Dust and Other Stories, 2000. Cat on a Houseboat, 1976. The Peacock Garden, 1974. So these are 4 other works which are very important. You just remember the name and the publishing year. Next is 2000. In 2007, Anita Desai also won Sahitya Academy Fellowship. And very important, you can say extremely important, most important, in 2014 Anita Desai was awarded with Padam Bhushan, one of the highest awards in India. So that's all about Anita Desai. I hope this is sufficient for your exam. I have covered all the important questions which can be asked in your exam, so you don't need to get confused with other things. So thank you very much. Kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. It will be very beneficial for you. Thank you so much. Stay safe and stay healthy.